Guess who was a lucky Fat Birds find mystery box winner? Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here, Vintage Catnpaws. Welcome back to my channel. So if you ever catch Fat Bird finds on Friday nights on their Flippin' and Sippin', they have a Fat Bird 5, and I got lucky and won the mystery box. Now, not in the sense of like won it for free. You pay for it, but there's many people who try to get it. So it came in the mail. It has the fragility stickers on it, and we're going to open it up right now and see what's in it. And that's what it looks like. I'm so excited. So Fat Bird finds are these two lovely ladies by the name of Mary Beth and Laura. And oh my gosh, I got a cocktail card. I can make eggnog. Now, oh good, it's spiked eggnog. Is there any other way? No, I really can't stand eggnog, but it does smell good though. So that's cute. And then there's a little cellophane packet with something green. I don't know. It looks almost like cabbage. Maybe it's a game piece? Well, let's find out if we can figure out that mystery. So they also do some trivia, and there's some trivia included. A plain card. Oh, that's beautiful. Now, I like to junk journal. I like to make journals. So that will go in my journal along with their signature. And here is their card. I will link their channel below. Make sure you go check them out. Yes, this little green thing. What is it? They gotta be game pieces. I got the dropsies today. There's that. Is it, I don't know. And then this looks like one of those little match boxes. Even has a flip up lid. So cool. And we're gonna jump right into this box. Beautiful blue tissue paper on top. Brown packing paper, recipe cards. Again, these I will put right into a journal. Oh, it looks like some beautiful linens, scarves. Let's find out. Oh, beautiful. Head, right? When I was growing up, older women would wear these on their head to keep their curlers in place. So I don't think it's really a handkerchief. It's more of a headscarf. In this paisley design. And then is that a table linen? I don't know, it's very soft. It's like 2 feet by 2 feet square. That would look cute under a vignette or maybe set your candlesticks on it, something like that. Any ideas out there? I'll take ideas all the time. Looks like a Wade's Whimsy. The mystery box is fun. I've lucked out this year. I really have. I've been able to score 3. Well, I guess it's 2021. But I scored 2 last year and then 1 so far this year. And they're just fun. So you got yourself a rhinoceros there. There's still more. Now I say this pretty much, not every video, but enough. When I'm on here, my family flushes the toilet every time, and they just went in the bathroom. So if I cut out abruptly, I'm cutting out the toilet flushing. But I think this is the candle holder. Well, it's a pair of candle holders. The spaghetti trim on it. I don't know a lot about Holt Howard. I mean, they're pretty easy to look up on eBay and just Google it. And I'm back. All right, Holt Howard. You can Google them. They make a lot of whimsical mid-century modern Christmas and cutesy stuff. So there's the pair. Oh, sweet. Love them. And speaking of mystery boxes, Jamie at Mid-Century Wasted, I won her mystery box over Christmas, and there was a pair of candle drips in there with snowflakes. Yeah, they will just look beautiful together. I unwrapped another thing while I was waiting for things to finish up there, and I did get an elephant that is stamped Japan on the bottom. Trunk up. And then this was in the box. Ooh, look at that card. I love this idea of securing a pin to a player's card. That's really cool. So a brooch or pin or however you want to call it. That's really nice. And lastly, still wrapped up in its paper, a Griffin shoe polish tin. Oh, I just gotta look inside. I don't think it's gonna open up though. That might be like that forever. I would have to. I look a bit constipated when I do that. I can't get the top off. But it's heavy, so there's probably still shoe polish in there, but that's cool. Never seen one. There's the back. So I'll take my shots here for the thumbnail. That was again from Fatbird Finds, Mary Beth and Laura. I'm so glad I won the Wheel of Luck with them. And that's it. That was my mystery box unboxing. Love it. Love it all. Take care, everyone.